In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change mobile font size in Squarespace. We'll keep everything inside Squarespace's design tools and use the built-in mobile preview so you can see changes exactly as your visitors will. First, switch the editor to the mobile view by clicking the phone icon at the top of your workspace. This ensures every change you make is evaluated on a small screen, where spacing, line breaks, and legibility matter most. With the mobile preview active, open Site Styles from the top right of the editor. Site Styles is your central hub for typography and colors, and it's where Squarespace applies responsive rules for phones and tablets. You'll see categories for different design settings in the panel that opens. In that panel, locate fonts and expand it by clicking the arrow beside it. This reveals the typography groups that control how text looks across your site. Choose Paragraphs next. Paragraphs governs your body text, the copy used in text blocks, summaries, product descriptions, and blog posts. Since mobile visitors often read on smaller screens, optimizing the paragraph style has the biggest impact on overall readability. Now click the current font shown under Paragraphs. This opens the font picker. Here you can browse recommended pairings, search for specific families, and preview how each option renders right in the editor. The preview updates live in mobile view, which makes it easy to judge clarity at smaller sizes. Select the font you want. As you experiment, prioritize legibility on a phone. Look for a generous X height, clear letter forms, and avoid ultra-thin weights that can fade on high-gloss screens. If your site includes prices, dates, or technical details, glance at how the numerals render. Some families offer more readable digits on small displays. Consider your brand tone as well. Clean sans serifs often feel modern and remain crisp at compact sizes, while sturdy serifs can add character without sacrificing clarity. Because you're working in mobile view, you're seeing Squarespace's mobile scaling applied to your paragraph style. If the text feels too small or too large with a given family, try a neighboring weight or a different family whose built-in metrics land closer to your target size. Pay attention to line spacing and line length in real content sections. 2 to 4 lines per paragraph on a phone typically reads comfortably. When you've chosen a font that reads well, close the picker and continue editing. Your body text will update site-wide in the mobile preview. If you want a cohesive look beyond paragraphs, the same fonts area includes separate controls for headings and other text styles, and you can refine those with the same approach. That's all there is to it, using mobile view and the paragraphs font settings to tune how your text reads on phones.